A question I hear every single day, that if AI can generate code, why should I learn software development or agentic AI? But here is the real gap. AI can generate code, AI can even build a small system, but AI cannot build enterprise level production grade system without any assistance. AI is not going to replace engineers. Think of AI as a fast junior developer. It moves at a fast pace, generate code, but it needs your guidance, architecture design, and business understanding. Companies don't pay engineers to simply write code. They pay for problem solving, architecture design, ownership, business understanding, and system integration. And organizations now increasingly looking for professionals exactly with the same skills. And this is the one of the reason we created this AI mastery program. Most of the tutorials teach individual topics, but very few show how they fit into a complete system. This is my direct promise to you. This is not a theory heavy program. And I am not here to make you memorize definitions. I am here only for one single reason, to help you build a real working AI system. We have designed this course in such a way that every topic we follow the same battle tested process. We break each concept and explain why it matters in production, and then do a live demo. After that, we do end-to-end code walkthrough. We also do hands-on experiments and wrap up every topic with a revision cheat sheet. In this course, you will get the code, architecture diagram, instructions how to set up that, and the revision sheet for every topic. By the end of this program, you won't just experiment with AI, you will be able to build a complete AI production grade solution that can orchestrate multi-provider LLMs with tools that can search internet and will have a persistent memory. You will be able to manage multi-modal inputs like text, image, audio, video. You will be able to build your own MCP servers and connect to any MCP servers. Apart from that, there are a lot advanced things that you will learn in this program. Looking ahead, the future is AI augmented engineers. Don't learn this course only to complete the AI. Learn this course so that AI becomes your multiplier. Join the links below, enroll today. See you in the program.